From a distance, this police officer looks to be carrying on with his normal duties. But after a second glance, you realize something entirely different is going on here. This officer along the Kisii-Kilgoris road is not just manning the thoroughfare, but lining his pockets. From PSVs to commercial trucks, if it had wheels, it was not spared by these unscrupulous officers. But the seemingly terrific day for these traffic cops would soon be rudely interrupted by Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission officials led by South Nyanza Regional Head Arunga Emmanuel. The arrest took place at the Kiogoro traffic checkpoint after anti-corruption detectives laid a trap following a tip-off from the public. Matatu operators complained about their vehicles being impounded by the officers on flimsy grounds, forcing them to pay heavy bribes for their release. More than 24,840 shillings was found on the officers. The Traffic Police Department has come under scrutiny in the recent past following allegations of corruption and cover-ups. The officers are scheduled to meet the vetting board in Kisumu on Monday.